What's up everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the Alts. As always, I hope you're all doing very well today and you had a very nice weekend. Today, daily update on Tuesday instead of yesterday. By the way, wasn't really able to do it yesterday. But anyway, so before to start, as always, just gonna check that everything is working well. Yes, the sound is working well, pretty cool. Yeah, everything is working well, pretty nice. So let's start first of all with Bitcoin. I didn't touch the chart since Friday last week, by the way. Sorry, we are going to update everything, really. We're going to delete some few levels. We ended up for the moment with a swing failure pan of this. I'm gonna just pop out the chart, by the way. Sorry. So the chat is loading right now. Bam. Live chat, and there you go. Good morning, mate. Good to see you here as always. I'm doing great. A bit tired from my weekend, but it's fine. Hope you're doing great too. Yeah, I saw that I got many alerts really, but well, it's fine to be honest with you. Just a continuation of the move we have planned. So it's pretty cool. Unless we start really going too low, but we're going to update everything in any case. I really didn't check any chart really since Friday last week. Yeah, I'm gonna update FLOKI. Good morning, mate. I'm gonna update FLOKI next. So here, let's get rid of all of this. Right here, we can remove this too. We can well, was it well respected on a lower time from here? Not really, right? No. This one is hit or not at all? No. Alright, so let's in any case update the chart here. Let's start with a weekly naked point of controls. So we have, oh, by the way, before to continue, just want to let you know the third contest is over. So well, the rankings will be shared within 14 days. So just wanted to let you know. And well, now there are no more contests, right? This was the last contest of the new Yellow Wave course. So maybe there will be an ExoCharts course, but there is no date yet really planned for this. So let me just come back on this right here. Perfect. Alright, so let me see what's the price there. 67. Okay. Was it .5 or no? Alright, cool. This is done. Let's go on the DNPOC. There is one just above, but below here, no. Okay. Just gonna do here the weekly levels. Alright. Daily there is 1, 2. Right here. That one here is already hit, so I'm not going to add that one. Wait, there are way too many levels here on the chart. I really don't like this. I'm gonna get rid of all of this here. Do we have any? Alright, so let me just remove that. Yeah, that'll do the job. So next we have one is from the top, it is already above. Yes, this one now 66770. Perfect, and 67,530 is already there. Alright, nice. Get rid of this. Let's remove that too. And there we go, we're done now with the levels, daily and ExoCharts levels. Okay. It's pretty crazy, we'll have loads of levels here. Okay. Well, the first zone of resistance really for day traders will be this value area low. Okay, so we have this nice value area low up really. Depends how big is the move. This is really all of this. Okay, up to the weekly linear path control. Yeah, it's all based off this value area low really. If we manage to reclaim this, we can look for a complex level approach where you go above, flip to support, fake the pump, and then you drop again. That will be a complex level approach of this value area low really in the above levels. Wait, just 2 seconds please. Alright, sorry. So yeah, that will be the first target really. If we manage to reclaim this, it is possible that we get something of the daily because we have all the highs here to take. Okay, so it's possible we get a swing through part of this, but otherwise the big next target really, okay, the big resistance is really this one here. So we're going to add this second square here. There you go, and then we'll have of course this one there, and then bam. So it's really step by step. There you go. So yeah, 4 main resistance here we have, and if we pull it like this, by the way, it's around the daily, right? Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, that'll do the job. For the moment, we ended up here with a swing through pan here, like that. Didn't check the data on this. Well, let me see real quick. Oof, 10 millions of longs. Oh, it's not the best of the best. Let me see here on a bit of a lower time frame if I have the same or not. Yes, we do. All right. Well, we'll have a bit of too much longs, not gonna lie. Not the best of the best in there. But in any case, you know that's the reaction we've gone very low is a scalp reaction really. So now we just need to see how long it's going to go. It depends, for example, if we start getting some 5 waves to the upside or not. Well, again, there will be a leading with a smaller way of an ending, so pretty rare. Just gonna set some alerts by the way before to go on the waves and the outs. So first of all here, add one here, and this one is already there. Nice. Okay, so now we've got the resistance, so let's continue here with the support. So with the support here, if we go below once more, we again have to look for a swing through the panel fail auction as always. If we, of course, don't do a swing through the panel fail auction, we can look for the next support. So to speak, the next support here is a price uptrend here, so from the bottom to this very top here, value area low. If we start to break this, we can look simply for the 6.86%. More likely here is the 66% because we have some nice confidence there. For example, the full range value area low that is maybe now a bit above if we pull it like that. Can't remember. Yeah, it's a bit above now. But the old range value area low, we've got a weekly, a monthly level, plus some few lower time frame confidence. So it's more from the 66%, retracement from the very top to the very bottom. And as always, it's possible that down here, if we start going into the monthly level, that we go trigger some few more stops and manage then to reclaim here above here the monthly level really. If we start breaking the bottom there with no swing through the panel fail auction, we do have some few lower time frame levels here, some lower time frame support. but these are not some crazy big support, so it's possibly, if we really don't manage to reclaim that low, it's likely we're going to make a new low there. And if we start breaking that bottom there, by the way, we can look simply here for again a swing through panel failed option. If we don't, we can look for more likely here this previous full uptrend path control, so around 51,800 down to 50,000 really, with the bottom of the consolidation for a possible swing through the panel failed option. And if we don't, we can look for 43,000, so a really big continuation to the downside. So now we're done with the levels, really, same support, just some new resistance. We have many levels there. I really don't like this, but well, I like to get the confidence on my chart, so I'm going to leave it like that. That's the reason why I'm adding some squares to make it more easy to read. So yeah, so let's go now on the waves. On the waves, well, for me, nothing changed so much, to be honest with you. The real invalidation for this is if the wave 5 here, I mean, the C start to break and touch 200%. Okay, so well, if we go there, for me this is not valid anymore because there will be an ABC flat with an extension. What I'm going to take if we start going down there, it's simply the second configuration we have planned, simply with double DXY that way. Okay, as simple as that. In that case, the targets, we can go a bit more down, as you can see here, or the 1618 max target down there, that match, by the way, with the target we have planned below, the second one, normally with the levels. I'm just gonna double check this, but normally it is like this. Yeah, you can see that match with the second target we have planned. So wrong tab, there we go. So yeah, this is the second target I'm going to take in case we invalidate really the first configuration. But yeah, for me, I'm still looking for this. The only thing I will be aware of, I'm just gonna control everything. Oh well, anyways, the only thing I will be aware of is on the, well, every time frame really, for the higher time frame patterns really, you know, we have 3 different configurations, a double wave 1 2 1 2, so wave 1 2, another wave 1 2, and then we have a massive increase in price. Well, for this, the thing is on well, all the time frames, to be honest with you, we do break the wave 2 bottom there with the wave 1 root, sorry, with the wave 2. With this wave 1 2 1 2 here, the second one, by the way, how the wave 1 2, the wave 2 as always cannot break the wave 1 root. Well, the thing is now we do, but on really every single time frame, even on the daily time frame. So I'll be a bit careful with such configuration. But yeah, lately the RSI wasn't really right, so well, I will not really pay attention much to this, but I will be aware of it. Okay, so second configuration, if it's not a wave 1 2 1 2, it's an ending really. So we have an ABC zigzag first of all to the upside. In that case, we'll have a bigger wave 1. This is a wave 2. We're going to look for a wave 3 or 5. The wave 1, 3, and 5 have an ABC zigzag. And the other configuration is in case we are bearish, we can look for a double EXY XNZ. It all depends of which target really we manage to hold. I'm talking about the support really. It really all depends of this. So yeah, the waves, I'm still looking for the same. Now on the lower time frame, well, nothing changing much, to be honest with you. We just count the 5 ways down. There is another possible way to count that. That will be like that, really. That will be more an ABC zigzag first of all. The shape is a bit better, I'm not going to lie. It's not the craziest one again, but well, there will be an ABC zigzag, an ABC zigzag again. Here that will be like that, by the way. How I counted that before? It was, I think, normally a full wave A, B, C with a crazy double DXY, something like that. Yeah, it was like this. And then, oh, by the way, it's not possible down here, so it will be more like that. And can we count an ABC zigzag down here? Well, it looks like. Yep. So that'll be a second configuration. Gonna take this, to be honest with you, because the shape is a bit better. It's not the best of the best, but well, for now it's okay. Yeah, just gonna stick to the plan really. If I manage to place this perfectly. Yeah, so well, nothing more to add on Bitcoin. We are still around the same zone of price really was in the last update. Just a bit of a drop, but well, that's in the last update was around there. We're a bit below. We've got the touch of the 1618. well, for now nothing is invalidated, so I'm gonna stick to this really. Okay. Sorry. So now let's go on the alts. Good morning, by the way, to you, mate. I just noticed your message. Good morning to you. So the alts, well, Ethereum is still holding a target. Just again, the RSI, well, on a daily time frame, we don't break the wave to bottom, but the prime is the wave to break the wave on route. So well, again, it's like Bitcoin. We'll have some validations on the RSI, but as soon as we don't touch, for example, as soon as we don't break here the wave on route, the wave on top, sorry, here, and Bitcoin is not really bearish, it's still okay. And if we do all of this, really get all the invalidations where it was an ABC zigzag to the upside, and well, it can be for an ending into the wave 5, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, again depending on Bitcoin, as it can be for a bigger triple wave to the downside, same as for Bitcoin really. So only time can tell, and we will need Bitcoin really to decide to see what we get there. BNB, we're still into the wave 4 normally. That is not the right tab, by the way. BNB is in here, trading right here. So we're still into the wave 4 target. Oh, I don't have the levels on this. Okay. We'll need to update the levels on this. But in any case, this is a target. As long as we don't lose the 50% and get acceptance really below, it's all good. So, well, nothing to update really on that one. It's following. Core, I'm not showing that one at all these days. And I'm on the wrong stuff, by the way. Let's just come back on this. There we go. FLOKI got a very nice continuation here to the downside. So what I'm going to take here is not this EXY or ABC flat really to the downside we have planned. In any case, as I said, I'm not trying to long this. I'm giving it more time because I don't have so much trust into these waves. What I'm going to take here is simply a longer ending. Okay, I'm just going to take a longer ending here with well, like this, 5 waves correction, 5 waves. I'm gonna take it like that. Let me see here, what's the last wave? No. So it's a wave 4 like this, and so let me see the RSI. Let's take something. Oh my god, this is terrible. The shape is absolutely crazy terrible. But anyways, I'm gonna get acceptance with this correction in there. Don't know what it was. And now a simple, well, a correction really to the downside, because to make an extension like this, that's what we've got there. Alright, so this cannot be a WX, YX, and Z. So in that case, must be a longer WXY like that. Top normally should be here. Alright, so W. Yeah, let's go with some pink waves. And so here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, I mean, it's the same. We're going to plan some wave. Again, if you want to trade them, you do whatever you want. Personally, I'm not going to trade this. I need to see that we confirm some few waves. Remember that we are in a higher time frame B wave, so it can drop very big. Okay, we're in that B wave here. as I said, more likely in the previous updates. So I'm waiting really for something, for some confirmation, really for some wave. I'm gonna simply give it some more time, same as for PEPE coin, for example. I need to see how we confirm some wave. I cannot just jump in like that. I need some more confirmations. But yeah, now as we've got invalidation for the previous count, and by the way we can remove this one too, I'm gonna move and switch to this. So yeah, double XY to the downside. I'm just trying to find out the last wave, but I think it's gonna be pretty complex, and just add this for the moment. Yeah, so these are the two targets. Again, there is a long only if Bitcoin is ready as always. Bam. There you go. But yeah, I'm personally not going to try to long this. Do invalidate a possible bigger wave 1, 2. Not yet. No. Yeah, for now I'm gonna stay with this. In any case, these are the targets really. Just 2 seconds, I have just to blow my nose really quick. Alright, sorry. Yeah, so FLOKI, we're done with this. And yeah, well, as I said, we're in the higher time frame, B wave more likely. So well, to do something really longer, I'd not be surprised. Okay, it depends of Bitcoin, but for now Bitcoin is just range bound really. We're still, I mean, we're a bit below the range was for 2 weeks, I think. Can't remember exactly. Yeah, more than this, almost a month by the way. So yeah, I mean, I will not be surprised to see it to something longer here. Well, yeah, so FLOKI is done. Not a crazy update on this, but well, I'm gonna simply give it more time. Oh, it's there. Okay. JASMY for now is holding the wave 4 target, so it's fine. The thing is now, do we have some 5 ways up? The answer is no, we don't. So it's not looking so good for higher. It's likely here we'll have a triple wave to the upside. So yeah, I would see on the next low we're going to make here, if we bounce, we manage to get some small 5 waves up or not, because if we do get the 5 waves, it is likely we're going to go for a bigger wave 5 next. So to speak, if we, for example, take the lows, bounce from here, we get a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we get a small 5 waves, we can look for a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a bigger impulsive really into the wave 5. But now the thing is, if we get and only get some triple wave to the upside, well, it's possible that we do an ending, so wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, but normally it's a correction to come down if, for example, Bitcoin is not ready for a bounce. So here, personally, I'm gonna wait for a new low to be made. And that's it really. And if we don't manage to hold a low, well, be careful. If we start going to the 61886% really, that's a little bit too low. Is this still valid? Well, yeah, it's okay for now. Yeah, so well, just my nothing more to update. Still holding this wave for retracement here target. So this is pretty cool. MX is still holding this. yeah, we'll have to reclaim that really quick, because otherwise that's an invalidation we have there. We have only 5 days more to manage to reclaim that. We'll see. Let's give it the 5 days and see what we get next. People, so yeah, as I said in the last update, no interest in trading that coin. I'm waiting for, well, more time to see what we get here, because we are now in a higher time frame wave 4, or in a higher time frame C wave down, so now we can spend some more time really to form this wave 4. Well, the invalidation of this impulsive here, simply this top there, so be aware of this and watch out this and keep an eye on this. If we do break this key level, we break the wave 1 route with the wave 4, so this is of course not valid anymore for this impulsive. In that case, it was an ABC zigzag to the upside. So if we do an ABC zigzag to the upside, it can be simply for a longer, for example, WXY to the downside here. It can be for a bigger WXY like this too, for a bigger WXY. I mean, it gives a crazy amount of configurations, so it's likely we're going to trade the levels on this, and we're going to trade this with Bitcoin really, depending if Bitcoin, you know, bounce from the, I mean, have a long trade setup, for example, if we're coming into a long target too, all of this. But if we do an ABC zigzag to the upside, it's a bit more complex to predict next, as we have many different configurations possible. So again, we'll need to give it more time, see what smaller wave we form and all of this. But yeah, for now, we're just following what was planned, what we have planned in the last update. As I say, do you start logging into the 2316 on the higher time frame? Well, not really. You wait normally minimum for the 38.2. So well, in any case, now we are below, but yeah, I'm still not longing this. I really want to see Bitcoin being ready and bullish, really, to start longing these coins. So yeah, I'm gonna still give it more time. No rush really on this for me. PEPE coin, we are now into the wave 4 target. Again, it's like, for example, people, it was people, yes. This right here is a nice key level, because always if we're in the impulsive here to the upside, the wave 4 cannot break the wave 1 top, so we really have to hold this target. Well, it's still following what we have planned in the last update really, WXY, so we can look simply here for these targets, 123 and the 1618 there. Nothing changed. I'm not going to spend too much time really on the smaller time frame on these alts, because we're really in some higher time frame wave, so I'm simply going to wait for Bitcoin to be ready, and once this is done, if I really say we have some nice wave there, we can start to look for a possible reversal. But in any case, these are the targets really. Went now into the buy zone of the higher time frame wave 4. And by the way, yeah, perfect. Okay, nice. Well, for now, everything is following, but again, we're in a higher time frame wave 4, so it's normal to spend some more time. That's why I'm not really too in a rush really to long the wave 4 here. I'm okay to give it some more time. But just something to be aware of: if we drop a lot more, the wave 4 cannot break the wave on top. If we do so, well, it was an ABC zigzag, and again, it will be a lot more complex to predict on the higher time frame next. But for now, as long as we are holding all of this, it's all good really. Okay, so with Bitcoin, nothing more really to add on this. Turbo. We start to go really low here on that one, not gonna lie. Yeah, I mean, if we don't hold this 618, this 6% here, I'm going to switch to something more bearish, and I'm going to take it means that we don't have this wave 1 2 this wave 1 2 here before the wave 2 is there, and so in that case we've got well, a wave 3 4 5 already, but again the wave 4 cannot go too low, so it means more likely that we'll have done a C wave top, and so next again, if we have an ABC zigzag to the upside, it can bring us with many different configurations. But yeah, we have to see first of all if we manage to hold this or not. Sorry. Yeah, so let's see if we manage to hold this still. Just gonna control that, by the way. There we go. Nice. Turbo, Nvidia by the way is not dropping. Still no, we've got a bounce from here. We didn't reach the 1618 or no we did. Yep. So wave 4. Nice. We have a nice confluence by the way. Just above 1618 with the high time frame 2618 there. Then we have the 2618. Alright, nice. NVDA, and so now let's go in the alts. I saw some few messages there. Sure, mate. ING. So we've got the last rise. Was looking for here. I remember it was around there. We've got the last rise. Well, if I remember correctly, normally I do on this. I was looking for this last rise here. So now we've got the ABC. Bitcoin is not bullish, of course, it's dropping. So this is not the wave 1, 2, 1, 2. And so here it was simply for, well, everything was planned here for a double EXY to the downside. As simple as that, really. So let's add the waves on this. Double wave 1, 2 or leading or ABC. Yeah. Many configurations. So again, we'll have to wait for Bitcoin to decide. And now the thing is, if we pull the extension tool like this, well, the first target is really low. I'm not going to lie. So the best thing to do here is simply the smaller wave. Well, either an ABC, either if we continue the drop, depending again of Bitcoin, that will be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as always, can a Y wave finish with 5 waves? The answer is no, so we'll be simply here for a longer and bigger A, B, C into the Y wave. Let's go with some pink waves. So it depends now of Bitcoin, really. But yeah, I mean, if we do this ABC zigzag here, it's likely we're going to go, you know, into the 618. I mean, the MC extension really below. So yeah, again, it depends of Bitcoin. Yeah, that will be it really for ING. But yeah, sadly again on the high time frame, we have many different configurations. It will be cool. We really confirm something on Bitcoin. That'll be lovely. So next we have Tia GALA, ma'am. Morning, mate. How are you doing? NMQRS T. Tia. Well, yep, it's following the wave really. Well, nothing to update on this. Same targets, he's doing the drop as we've planned. That's pretty cool. GALA. Oh, yes. Whew. Well, it's following what we've planned too. The top is on the right there. say more likely here, to be honest. Why I've placed it there? Okay. So wait, let me just check that this is well placed. A little lower. There you go. But again, I will just wait for Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce before to try to long and catch a falling knife, really. In any case, we'll have the targets with waves. And we've got the targets too here with the levels, just right here. So yeah, I mean, not really below, because we cannot really go below on that one, because we don't have much data. But we do have some few levels there in any case. And well, the thing is very simple, if we can say it. We just have to wait for Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce. Once Bitcoin is ready, it's pretty cool. We can start to look for a long. And in any case, by the way, even if we go below, as you can see, we have the targets. So the interesting thing we can do next is simply do all the smaller wave count, but yeah, for now it's not very useful, to be honest with you. I'm gonna still remain with this. Normally, as I said in the last update, I was really struggling placing this wave 1, 2, 1, 2, and I was taking more this ABC zigzag. I still struggle to place this on the chart, to be honest with you. It's well, the shape is really terrible for this, and we have invalidation on this. Yeah, I'll tell you, yeah. But the thing is, even with this, that's the problem, and the complexity of this. It's a correction to go down, but the thing is, if for example Bitcoin start to be bullish, we can still make, for example, a W, X, and Y. That's why it's very complex here to say if we're going to make a new low or not. It really all depends on Bitcoin. Are we going to manage to make this bigger WXY and get another increase in price or not? And it's like that on most of the art, really. So that's why it's pretty complex. So that's why Bitcoin really have to decide what we're going to do next to make a decision on this. But yeah, so GALA, for the moment, it is what it is. KLMN. It's this, right? Yeah, it is. So this is what? Okay. Well, I have to check the last update on this. What the fuck is this? What? Why the fuck is that not working? What's the logo of this? I can't see. Well, I posted this now on the Discord server, I can't remember. It's not in this. Well, I have no idea. Nah, I don't know. So, well, I can't say when was the last update on this. But, well, we've got this wave 5. That's pretty cool. So, for an ABC, so it was not a WXY. That was an ABC here. So, let's add the waves. So, we can see really. But again, we need Bitcoin ready for a bounce to... Oh, that's maybe a little bit too much. Let's go with this. We need Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce on this. And again, we need to wait for some waves here to be confirmed, really. So we are in any case at the 123 plus a swing through pound for now. The problem with this is that we cannot really pull the extension tool of the ending because we cannot plan some targets like that. Well, like that, it's not possible to. Yeah, so the only way is to find out the smaller waves or just add the ABC targets, really, what we have done right now. So now we just need to wait for Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce. And normally in each smaller waves, the wave 1, 3, and 5, just gonna confirm this here. Yeah. So ABC, then we'll have an ABC, and then we shall get here an ABC. Well, for now it looks more like an ABC, leading, sorry, to the downside. So like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is what it looks more likely at the moment for me. But in any case, these are the higher time frame waves and the high time frame targets. Yeah. So well, nothing changed much. Carano, yes, I can, of course. Okay. Oof. Well, at least we've got that wave 3, right? We're still looking for the same. Now went... What is this? The 70x6? No. Yeah, we have the A... Wait. Yeah. We have the A, B, and the C. The C is pretty crazy, not gonna lie. Yep, that's a pretty crazy C wave, but well. This and well, the only thing I would be aware of is that the top is likely made on the right on this. So, yeah. Yeah, no, for me, yeah. I'm gonna switch to this. So a top made there. Here. Yeah, there we go. Better now. And so, well, in any case, we've got the drop for the way through I was looking for, but I prefer now with the top we have done there. A longer wave 4 and so a wave 5 now. So now we only need to count some 5 waves down. And for now we have more likely here 5 waves correction, 5 waves. So we need to get another one like that. And if I add, what are these targets there? Well, yeah, the targets are the same, really. This this if we have to go more down. And for the moment this, but again I will not buy unless Bitcoin is really ready for a bounce and is really bullish. As simple as that, really. Now if you want, you can absolutely buy every green square, just DCing there and that's it really, but yeah, that'll be cool. Bitcoin confirm some few wave first of all before they do this. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that way instead of the ending. In any case, we've got the drop with the way through I was looking for, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's it really for currently. No, almost the same target, just a bit below here for the wave 4, for the wave 5, sorry. Link. Wait, what was the last update on this? I can't remember. Oh yeah, I remember now. 2 different configurations, bullish and bearish. Well, yeah, as I said, normally this was the first one, the most probable to take, and it was really the other one to take only if Bitcoin was bullish, but well, Bitcoin didn't got a bounce. So this to speak with a wave 1 to an ABC to the upside. Okay, but as soon as Bitcoin is not holding the line, is not bullish, there is no reason to look for this really. Is it still possible if we check at the RSI? Yeah, it is. For the moment it is. There is no real full invalidation on this. So this is still valid, but again, for this to happen we need Bitcoin to be ready. Otherwise, double the XY to the downside. We can simply add, I didn't add the target for this. Oops. Yeah, nice. There we go. I'm gonna get rid of this. Bam. Cool. There you go. Perfect. And just get rid of this. Yep. For now, I'm not gonna jump too much into the smaller wave. It's not really useful for me. So yeah, there we go. Link. AVAX, Sol, and BNB. It's BNB. Yeah, already done BNB. There we go. We broke the small range was in. Now we're at the 1618. The last chance really for a bounce. Again, now the thing is, the only reason I'm, for example, going to long this is if Bitcoin is really bullish from here. If not, there is no reason again, and well, it's just going to drop more, right? And if we do drop more, by the way, we're going to change, I think, the higher time frame waves there, because there'll be a wave with an extension, and I really, well, no, for me it's not valid to look at this. So yeah, we'll see. But now we are at the 1618, that's pretty cool. That was a load, but I didn't update that one. well, not the levels it looks like. But in any case, these are the waves. We are now at the 1618. Let's see now what Bitcoin give us on this, if we manage to bounce or not. Sol, what happened on that one? I've got a notification on my phone that was saying it dropped like 5%, something like this. OPQRS. Alright, indeed. Well, yeah, this is still valid. What is this? Let's add the targets of this if we manage to go to get lower, depending again on Bitcoin. Correction. Well, let's get rid of this. Well, we can look for that down, but I mean, that will definitely not be for a wave 4 in any case. If I manage to go that down here, the 1618, it's not anymore for a wave 4 for me. This is way too low. And so in that case, again, on that coin, there will be an ABC zigzag to the upside. So it will suck a lot, not gonna lie, but again, it all depends off Bitcoin now. So in any case, this is for the, I'm gonna log this, medium time frame number 2. And the other one was, well, no, definitely not. So yeah, now we have two different configurations. Again, all depending on Bitcoin. I really want to see that we confirm some 5 waves up to the upside, well, yeah, to the upside now. The prime is now, the thing is, this can be so more likely a triple wave again, so it can be again a leading with a small wave of an ending, as it can be a double X, Y, X, and Z. Personally, I was not on the chart at that time. Well, yeah, it was 4 AM, so I was sleeping at that time. But you've got many longs in here. That'll be cool to, well, just go here to stop these longs really on entry minimum before to get a massive pump. Yeah, we'll see in any case what we manage to confirm on that one. But as soon as we confirm something on Bitcoin, it will allow, well, we will be able to recognize what we're more likely going to do on the other arts. So yeah, for now, still both configurations. Just gonna move this a little more on the right. 300 is a little bit too much. Let's move this at 280. And yeah, that's it really. So that will be simply for a longer wave 4. Okay, this double EXY in there. And if we manage to bounce, we can look for such ending into the wave 5, right? That will be cool to make this. It'll be cool to get a bit of a rise and everything, not gonna lie. And so the other one was BNB, but yeah, this one is already done, is already updated. It was, by the way, maybe right after Bitcoin and Ethereum, can't remember, but it was at the very beginning of the alts. Yeah. Oh, SHIB, by the way, I saw we've got a nice move down on this too. I mean, a notification, yeah, there you go. Okay, so... Well, normally now we went into that target, yes, okay, pretty cool. So now again, yeah, that will be cool to get Bitcoin bullish on this, but again, it all depends on this. It's well, it's like that for every ounce really. We need Bitcoin bullish now. Let's move this on the right, and there you go. We did plan some targets with this or not at all? Double EXY, okay. well, yeah, I'm not going to lie, this is pretty massive for a wave 4. Like we're at 78.6, so it's really big. Yeah, again, it depends of Bitcoin what we're going to decide there. And so what are the other patterns we have planned there? It was maybe a leading before. Yeah, that'd be the other one. Leading before. That's a crazy one, not gonna lie. But well, let's go with this. In the bearish plan. Yeah, we really need to get something on Bitcoin. This is pretty crazy because all of this is 100% valid at the moment. It's terrible what we have right now. Yep, please Bitcoin confirm some few wave now. That'll be lovely to confirm some waves on the alts. And do we have any other targets with the levels on this? It's above, by the way, there. Yeah, okay, wait, it's really low next. Because if we don't manage to bounce from here, we'll have the DNPOC. Well, there'll be for a complex level approach, flip to resistance, fake the drop, reclaim, flip to support, come back up. If we start going to the DNPOC, but the thing is, if we start breaking the DNPOC here, that's another, well, 30-40% drop minimum we're going to look for. So at, well, 0.200101. So yeah, what we have otherwise there. MATIC. What are all these fibs there? Looking for that wave, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, what was down the lower time from here? Don't take the highs there. No. So that was. These are not some 5 ways up. Well, in any case, we've got the yeah, let's go with 250. The drop from the target here was looking for that wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the wave 5. So we've got the drop really, and everything was looking more likely. I mean, many yards was looking for this. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this so I can add really. Where's the top made again here? On the right. Again, impulsive rending in there. We just need Bitcoin ready for a bounce for this. This is more than 1618. Yes, so this was well placed. This is really low for a wave 2, not gonna lie. Thing is, now we are at the 1-to-1 extension, so we again only need Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce. Again, it all depends on this. If we don't, welcome to the 1618. So just let's see if we manage to get something on Bitcoin really. But in any case, that's pretty cool. We've got the move down here for the wave 5. That's nice. So let's just ABC. Okay, I want a ABCD. I can't remember who was talking about this triangle there on the higher time frame. I think it was you, mate, by the way. I'm sorry, I cannot read your name. Don't know what are these letters. I mean, it's Greek, but I don't know. I think it was you that was talking about this. For now, it's still valid. Okay, as soon as we don't break this bottom and get some kind of calls on the RSI for this. And of course, as soon as on the chart we manage to hold this bottom there, so it's very close right now, but it's still holding on the RSI, so it's fine. That will be in that case for an A, B, C, D. So we'll get another rise and then a drop below. And from here we start to look for an accumulation and come back up really. I really struggle to place this kind of ABC flat and double X on the charts now because we're really low on many assets. Yeah, well, in any case, we have the targets now. The only thing we need is Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce. If we don't, we can look for the next target. As simple as that, really. Yeah, really as simple as that. So yeah, let's see what we get. In any case, I'm live tomorrow again. It's Wednesday. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Live tomorrow. By the way, we have a news today, if I'm mistaken. Can't remember. Yes, 2:30. Well, I don't know if this is moving a lot of the market. For day traders, well, just be aware of the news. Tuesday, yes, it's 2 days, so we have a news at 2:30 UTC +2. Don't forget this. If you're a day trader, we can look for a trade on Bitcoin, for example. Yeah, that's it really. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you all for watching as always. Not the crazy update with the Alts really, with the lower time frame waves and stuff like that, but I mean, for me it's not really useful. I'm just gonna wait for Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce really, and once this is done, we have the small 5 ways up. It's likely we're going to go higher, so I'm gonna start buying before that. I would like to get some more waves and some more data really on Bitcoin telling me it's going to bounce, otherwise yeah, not really useful. So yeah, have a brilliant day ahead. Take care of you as always, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.